Feeling good, feeling great. Hope you're having a lovely one. I'm gonna go check up on Coopy's yard. We got Sparrow here visiting, and he's fixing up the house. Gonna do a whole new outside, gonna do a whole new roof, and it's starting to come along. So this is the check-in on Coopy's house, part 1. Progress. So Sparrow, you're doing a whole veranda, porch going on the whole spot.
Yeah.
That's great, man. It's gonna be so good.
Come well. Ready?
Yeah. What's that?
Coppy. Sốc nhá. Kéo nhồi ra đi đó. Sốc ngay kia nhồi ra, điều kéo mình chỉ đẹp đi. Ăn lại. Tím. Tay cái thử.
Why you want to, bro?
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Bro got that time no, man.
You're busy. Coopy is so serious when he's working. I'm gonna back off. Dead serious. Try to get the man to smile. It's impossible.
No smile, no.
Coopy, smile. Here's me and Coopy smiling together. Coopy, smile. Smile. We're taking a picture of my brother from another mother. He smiled.
Yo, go get your man, you're a big trade man.
Huh?
Go get your man, go change the clothes and say you're a trade man. So you tell me.
Hey Sparrow, I might have to get you to help me with the goat house after if you got time.
Yeah, man, you tell me.
Because this goat house is, she's getting wet. I want to keep her dry, and this is falling down so bad already. Oh gosh. It's alright. Nail up? You want me to hold it?
Nail it up now? With the hammer?
Sure.
You can't nail it, man.
Bro, I've done enough renovations on my house. I've done a kitchen, a bathroom, floors, walls.
What?
I do enough work at my place.
Yo?
Yeah, man. Coopy thinks I'm good for nothing.
Come here now. Put on the hammer, put on the camera and start. Go on it up, no?
Sure. I can't nail. I got a screwdriver, man. Why nail when you got a screwdriver?
What kind of screw?
Yeah.
The screw then go buy me, so buy them. Hey, Para? The zinc, the screw then zinc screw down on them?
Yeah.
The screw.
I want them.
We got a screwdriver to use if you want.
Yeah, the waiting, you know.
The screw down. Find the zinc then. Yeah. No, if you can't get the screw them at the yard here, zinc screw. You can listen.
Yeah?
Ratty, you helping?
No wonder yes, and alone. This time around.
Whoa.
Pranked ya! Pranked ya!
No wonder yes, alone.
This man is playing the 2 times.
Yeah, I know you got me pretty good.
I know rain up about this turf.
Yeah, rain's coming. This might be a very quick checkup. It's coming right away. Yo, where's Kelly? In the farm?
Yeah.
Okay, she's fine.
Mine is starting to cut your Matthew.
What?
Mine is some cut your foot.
Well, I'll be alright.
Yeah, but brace again. See there?
Are you building a whole wall all around Sparrow then? On the outside, like a new wall?
Yeah.
So this whole thing's coming down, it's going to be much bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Where that's all? Right, that's it, doggo. Run, doggo, right, this one.
Veranda right here.
Right.
But all these are coming down, right? These are all getting done?
We are really don't want to
You want to sit before I go up?
Yeah. Well, if it works, sure.
Alright.
How many days do you think
Oh,
to do like the whole thing?
no man, time put around everything. Look, time put around everything. Like I pull him and start pull up.
Where you going to sleep now? One stuck in the down. Where you going to sleep now? I'm grown.
In Papa big house.
Don't leave him. Let Coppy and go and right here.
Papa big house over there.
Yeah.
Don't borrow.
Where?
Yeah, tell him to go over there. So.
I can't.
That no one nobody.
Whoa, what bird is that?
Garland.
Ah. That's the one that the dogs don't like.
Yeah.
Just hold it. Right there, say no. Come here,
What do you think of Coopy's new place?
Yes, Martin.
It's gonna be big.
Yeah,
Quite a bit bigger.
yeah,
And the back kitchen too.
yeah.
Coppy. Kaya malate. Coppy malate. Coppy agabi.
Coopy's a garling? What are those things called?
Eh?
The drink.
Kisco.
Kisco? Is it like bag juice?
Yeah.
It's not even frozen though.
Drop.
Still good?
Yeah.
There's Sparrow. I got a power saw here too if you want to lick some 2x4s down quick too.
Yeah, but 2 minutes no current.
Oh, no current?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I got a battery one though.
I bet you one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to speed things up if you want.
Yeah.
Okay. I know how to do some stuff, so you can just tell me where to cut and I can cut for you. Yeah, I'm not the handiest guy in the world, but I've done a bunch of experimenting in my own place and done some stuff. Luckily, I have some friends that are very talented that I've learned some things from. My dad and my brother are quite handy too. Handier than me, anyway. Watch it.
Watch it.
Way!
Sure.
Safety first. No, style first. Safety second. Speed third.
That's the ball.
Something like that.
Hook sick. Don't shot.
Ew.
Whoa.
I might put on my boots rather than wear these flip-flops. Although, you guys aren't really doing it either. Don't prong me, please.
Me have to go get the 8 bag of cement and tell me I have to go buy 8 bag of cement next week.
8 bag of cement.
What in there go I just not know. The house after those.
Because you're going to concrete everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I mean I go buy it. No, look. There go. Those look no. Look. God dear me that make you know. And that make you know. Look. That make you know. Look. 8 bag of cement. Look. And that make you know. Look. A big house, bro. God.
Yeah.
Look.
I thought you were just making this a porch and redoing the walls, but you're pulling everything out.
You might pull it down in the rotten. So anytime you come now, like I want to put it here in a 2-room now, make the passage, make all the passage, then you come and can sit down in there.
Yeah, wicked.
That's why.
Yeah, have some red stripes.
I will tell you, thank you.
Yes, I'll bring the beers.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, it's coming along.
Come on, man. Go on, put on your clothes and come on.
Framing up.
Come on, man.
It's a real artisan with a cutlass to do all this work. That's the tough way.
Alright, come on, man.
I'm working the camera.
Man, go on, put on your pants and come start cut up the post up the place.
Get the whole framing done.
Alright. Don't go so long to go back.
Now run.
See? Yeah, rock you on.
Run to one.
Drive back, drive out. Drive out.
Here comes the rain. Gonna hide the camera now. Check back later.
Hide it.